Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore an essential feature inside the Asana mobile app that can help you keep your projects organized and aligned. Managing the status of a project is a simple but powerful way to communicate progress with your team. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Navigate to the project you wish to manage. Next, tap on the three dots located at the top right of the project screen. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Set Status. After that, click on Status. You will see several status choices, including On Track, At Risk, Off Track, On Hold, and Complete. Finally, choose the status that best represents your project. Once you make your selection, the status will update instantly and your entire team will see the change. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.